Juan Carlos J.C. Shinzato Bonin, born February 2, 1968, Okinawa, Japan, is a retired Filipino actor. He was a matinee idol in the 1980s, best remembered for his role in Bagets. Bonin comes from a family of well-known showbiz personalities. His uncle, Bernard Bonin, married to Elvira Gonzalez, were former actors. His cousins are former beauty queen, actress Charlene Gonzalez, now married to actor Aga Mulik, and former actor Richard Bonin. He retired from showbiz in 1987 and attended Bible school. In 1998, he moved to the United Kingdom where he became a pastor. In 2011, he moved to the United States, where he works as a hospice chaplain and spiritual counselor.
Marami palang bobo doon sa classroom niya.
Dad naman!
Saan galing mo tumahin? Alam mong kakain kami. O, kumain ka ba?
Kumain ako, pero kung...
Hindi na ako sa daddy at mami na lilipat na ako dito. Pero ayaw kong payagan. Dahil may sarili kaming bahay. At saka nakakahiya raw dahil puro dalaga nakatira dito. At ako naman ay
They should understand my feelings.
Kenneth, I've told you time.
Si Topi, Alimbeka.
bakit?
Nandiyan ba si Mami?
Umalis kasama si Steve.
Umalis kasama si Steve!
Punta sa Puerto Galera.
Naman, Topi, why don't you be kind enough to entertain her? Take her out with your friends. Kawawa naman, ulila na yon. Imagine, her mother died right after she was born, and her father died in an accident later.
Aray ko na rin. Makakaba ako dito. Aray, ano ba tulo nyo, ha? Bakit? Ano ba meron dyan? Wala, babae lang. Nasa may cottage sila. Babae? Tango. Babae lang pala, ha? Eh, yun nga ang pinoproblema namin ni Anton, kung paano namin papasukin ng mga cottage sa mga babae.
Gusto kong maging karapat dapat sa kamagong.